and welcome to EBAday 2022 in Vienna. I'm Hannah Wallace, and joining me now in the studio from FSA Valantic is Silvia Mazánová. Silvia, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you very much for the invitation.
Really good to have you on, and of course we're EBAday, and it's brilliant to be back in person, isn't it, since the pandemic, which is largely behind us, but we're not out of the woods yet because there are some geopolitical and economic challenges that we still need to consider. So that's really where I want to start. Can you bring us up to date and paint the payments landscape today?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for the question. And we have seen in a lot of discussions that what pandemic brought into the payment industry. And one of the biggest surprise was the huge volume of the transactions, which just suddenly popped up in the last 2 years. Then what also popped up as one of the topics was operational efficiency. So everybody with the increased number of the transactions started to discuss the economy of scales, which started to hit the limits. Therefore, the operational efficiency popped up as one of the topics within the industry. And there are numerous discussions about the Internet of Things, about the cryptocurrencies, usage of the request to pay, usage of the instant payment. So all in all these challenges within the industry are really giving us the opportunities to address all the challenges.
All right, thank you very much for bringing us up to date there. Some important challenges to consider. And I also want to talk about PSPs. How do you think we should be going about future-proofing PSPs in what we think is a pretty uncertain future?
If we look from the perspective of PSPs, in the dynamic environment where the clients are raising their expectations from the PSP side about the new products, offering new product services, and at the same time very strong push about the instant and immediate availability of all the products. These are one of the biggest challenges of the PSPs. Of course, also the challenge of the revenue knocking on the door. That's this 24/7 availability. The new products offerings should also bring the revenue inside the banks, and therefore the whole industry, in my opinion, will move to completely different direction. And what is the direction? The direction is that the parties involved in the whole community, in the whole ecosystem, should not try to be the best within their field of the work, but they should open themselves and start to collaborate.
Okay.
Start to find partners which are the best in class in their certain areas, and combine all this expertise and bring the new products and offerings to the clients which they are really demanding.
Sure.
So the future, in my opinion, is in opening the digital platforms which will allow the collaboration and ensures that the innovation is really delivered and shared across the whole community.
All right, that's interesting. So you've highlighted the importance of partnerships and collaboration in the endeavour to innovate there. So thank you very much for that. And another thing I wanted to discuss with you, at the centre of a lot of discussions during EBAday, is cryptocurrencies. So how do you think we can go about seizing those opportunities presented by cryptocurrencies?
We still feel that cryptocurrency is in their infancy, but it's already trying to find the place in the market. We are also active in this field. We started to build the new products which are offering cryptocurrency settlement. What we have seen also from the poll questions, that's 80% of the industry believes that within the next 5 years, cryptocurrency will not be still the game changer within the industry. However, we believe that it's good to be on the track, and it's good to start to address the challenges which are coming from the cryptocurrency. Some of the challenges are very similar to challenges coming from the instant payment. For example, banks who will offer a cryptocurrency as a product will need to be 24/7 available. Banks who will offer cryptocurrency products must also face the challenges coming from the utilization of the digital wallets. So their current legacy systems are not ready for that. They also need to take the fraction points within the cryptocurrencies. We are used to the hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. However, in the cryptocurrencies, you can use even some 30 fraction points to trade cryptocurrencies. So these are the real challenges. On the other side, we see it as a very similar challenges coming from the instant payment. And with our products, we solve a lot of challenges with a lot of banks and offer the instant payment solutions and make them successful. Therefore, we believe that we can be also successful with the cryptocurrency solution and help it to be visible on the market and ready for the usage for customers.
Sure. Watch this space, it's safe to say. Interesting to hear what you're doing at FSA Valantic. But Silvia, thank you very much for sharing your insights today. I'll let you get back to the event so you can share it with the rest of our delegates. And thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.